Hello everyone, my name is Alexey and today we will talk about accent color property in CSS and how it can help you style your forms. The accent color property allows you to easily customize the appearance of form controls, bringing a consistent and unique look for checkboxes, radio buttons, and other interactive elements like input type range or HTML progress element. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, understanding how to use accent color will enhance your design toolkit and make your web products more engaging and visually appealing. And I am here to explain you this. Okay, no more words, let's move to the practice. First of all, I have to say that the accent color feature exists for a long time in different systems like Windows, Android, macOS, etc. This feature allows us to configure a specific color for different parts, usually interactive parts, of our system. For example, if I will switch accent color in my Mac settings to purple, let me do it, you will notice the change in controls, menu items, radio buttons, togglers, selects. For example, I can show you items from the top deck, like Bluetooth settings, Wi-Fi settings, please notice the color of toggle, color of Wi-Fi icon, and another native selects, like above this Mac. Yes? Cool. And this accent can follow, for example, your wallpapers or be just the color you want to see. Okay, now let's move to the web, and in the web we also can add accent styles to different elements on our page. It could be extremely useful during development forms and make forms align with your design system, company colors, and develop consistent interfaces without making custom inputs in some cases. Here I have mini app, mini form to order the food, but the main thing that I have here a lot of controls. So checkboxes, radio buttons, input range, and also progress. And now I want to show you how you can apply an accent color to all these elements. First of all, I want to select all inputs, progress bars, and just apply to them corresponding accent color. Let's do it. So I will select all inputs, all progress bars, so progress HTML element, and apply to them accent color. Let it be red. Yes. And now we can see that all our inputs has changed their actually accent color. That's it. But that is not all. One thing I have to mention. This feature comes with accessibility. So what I mean? As far as you know, we need to think about color contrast working with colors. And accent color has built-in support with it. Let me show you. For example, we will have black accent color. So accent color will be black. Nice. You may observe that check marks in checkboxes and inner circles in radio buttons now white to be noticeable. Yes? If I will set white smoke color, so for example, white smoke color, we will have black check marks and black inner circles. Also, the same thing applies to range, input range, and progress. And it works with any color. I can set dark orchid. So let me set dark orchid. And we will see changed elements according to accessibility. And the same, for example, with light cyan. So light cyan. And we will have black check marks, black radio buttons, inner circles of radio buttons, and like secondary background color in range and progress. So using accent color also has a good effect on accessibility of your web page. Another cool thing that you can allow the user to change the accent color, and we can achieve it using input type color, CSS variables, and a couple of JavaScript lines. So let's start. And I've added new input color with H2, and this input will be responsible for choosing a specific color. This is the input type color, and a rectangle has appeared on my page, and I can choose any color I want. Yes, cool. Then I need to declare in my root element CSS variable, which will be responsible for storing our accent color. I need to define my root, so root. Instead of root, I will have a variable. It will be page accent color, and this page accent color will be black by default. Cool. Then I need to pass this variable instead of static value here, instead of static value for accent color for my inputs and progress bars. I need to use var and here pass my page accent color. Now let's move to the JavaScript. Okay, let's move to JavaScript. And here I am just getting by ID my color input, so const color picker equals to document get element by ID color picker, and it's my input with ID color picker. Amazing. Then I am declaring a string my CSS variable. So I have const accent variable, and this string should be equal to my variable declared in root. Nice. And then I am listening to event change on my color picker input. Yes, and then I am just setting new color to our CSS variable. So document element, style, set property, accent variable, and I need to read value from my color picker. It will be a specific color, and I am setting to this variable this color. Pretty easy. But by the way, if you don't know how it works, I recommend to watch my video where I am unleashing all the power of CSS variables, and you can find the link in the description. Okay, let's check the result, and now we can pick accent color using this input. So I can choose, for example, green color, green accent color, and yes, it will be applied to all elements on my page. The same with like yellow, the same with orange, the same with pink, and the same with blue. Yes, like dark blue, something like that. So I can choose any color and my accent color will be changed. I show you how you can simply let your user to change his or her accent color on a specific page. Moreover, you can add more complex logic, save, for example, user's choice in local storage or in user settings, and apply these settings on page loading, etc, etc, etc. So it's just simple and you can do it. Nice! In this video I've told you how to use accent color CSS property, why it's cool, and why it will greatly simplify your life if you will use accent color when developing your interfaces. Please like, subscribe, stay tuned, please check the description, please check my video about CSS variables, suggest your ideas for the next videos, and bye!